What's going on, you guys? Mr. Allen here, doing some geometric constructions with our compass and straight edge. In this video, we are going to copy a line segment. So first thing I'm going to do here is grab my compass. I'm going to loosen this bad boy up, right? And I'm going to open, also let me uncap it. I'm going to open my compass to the distance that we have here from A to B, okay? So think of your compass as almost like a measuring device, right? It's almost like a ruler without being a ruler, okay? So I got my distance from here to here, should be the same as A to B right here. Beautiful, fantastic. Tighten it down so it does not move. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop this guy on point C here, and I'm just gonna scribe an arc. It really doesn't matter how big that arc is, all right? So there we go, I've got an arc from point C, okay? Let me cap this thing up, don't want it to dry out. Next, I'm gonna take my straight edge with another marker, okay? And I'm gonna connect point C to literally any spot on this arc, okay? So if I just go ahead and I'll say this is gonna be point D, okay? Just so we have a point in mind here. And I'm gonna connect these two, and now I have a segment that is the same length as AB, right? So these are congruent segments right here. Even if I put point D down here, let me do that in a different color here, okay? Even if I put that down at the bottom, I'm gonna call this point E. Let's do that. And if I connect these two from C now to E, let me get my guy lined up there. Whoop. Beautiful. CE is also congruent to CD, and it's also congruent to AB. So really we got AB is congruent to CD. Oops, there we go. And it's also congruent to CE. That's awesome. That's awesome. Why are all these things congruent? Why did it not matter where I put that point on that arc? Well, keep in mind that arcs, all right, are just a portion of a circle. And C is the center of that circle when I created this arc. So really CE and CD and anything else I draw from C to this green arc right here are radii of a circle. And what do you know about all radii of a circle? They are congruent. So any segment that I draw to that arc, even if I went bigger with that arc, I can create a congruent segment to AB. So that's awesome, man. That's awesome. Maybe a little more than we need to know with copying our segments, but there we go. Open up your compass to the size segment that you want, find that point, scribe your arc, connect it to a point on that arc. Those are the steps, and that's a dope. See you dogs later.